So as we all know, I'm an avid crypto researcher. I look into everything crypto. I find all these things uh, when you can play and invest in and blah blah blah. Definitely not from YouTube comments and other YouTube crypto creators that make videos on them and then I find it from there. No, 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 no. None of that. Anyway, let me just close this tab that has nothing to do with what I'm talking about. All right, so CryptoBlades, right? It's a new-ish game, I guess. It's been out for a month now, so it's not really new, but it's kind of new because it doesn't have anything much going on. And as with every game, I have no clue what the fuck I'm doing, and I'm trying it out for the first time right now. So you go to the CryptoBlades website, which is cryptoblades.io, and this is the website. You got your play to earn. You got the creation of NFTs. You got some galleries. This fucking team, man. I mean, I can make backstories to all these guys just based off on pictures, but I think YouTube does not allow that too well, so I'm just not gonna. But I mean, come on. I mean, I'm pretty sure I smoked weed with this guy. I'm pretty sure I saw him in the crack then. Okay. Anyway, yeah, that's it. They have a roadmap somewhere as well. I don't know where. I forgot. Anyway, let's play the game. So you go to the CryptoBlades game, and if you want to play the game, you have to be on the Binance Smart Chain network. So if you're like me and you use MetaMask, which is usually on the Ethereum mainnet, you have to add the BSC mainnet to it so you can use the game, you can actually play it. And to do that, you have to go to the settings and you have to find the networks, add network, and then you have to add all the details in, which you can find if you just type in to Google how to add BSC to MetaMask. Wow, amazing. All right, so you click on the game, right? You're going to need this skill, which is the currency of the game. I'm pretty sure you're going to need it. I have not converted any yet, so I'll get to that in a bit. For now, let's just recruit a character, for which we have to pay 14 cents. Sounds good, man. Okay. Oh, and you have to wait for the transaction to go through. Yes, you do. Okay. All right. Well, I guess we wait, and then I do the flippity flop thing, and see you in 2 seconds. Oh, wait. What the fuck is this? But why? How much do you have to pay? What? 02. That's like more than $100 in it. What? What is this shit? All right. Be right back. Wait, I have a fly in my room. I'm gonna fuck him up. Wait, come here. I see him. Where are you, motherfucker? Ah. Oh, what the fuck? Yo, this guy's fucking fast as shit. What the fuck? I see him. He's on the curtains. But I can't smack him. Wait, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna climb up on the chair. Wait. Oh, fuck! Okay. Okay. Fuck! Alright, I don't think I got him. Oh, I did! And now I'm gonna feed him to my Venus flytrap. Wait, I'm gonna film it. I have my camera. Check this shit out. Alright, well, this is my Venus flytrap. Alright. And this is the asshole fly that I just caught. So let's see if he's gonna like it. Alright, let me focus it up. Oh, shit! Come on. Come on. Oh, that's a bit too big for him, I think. Oh, he got him. Shit, he got him. Alright, well, intermission done. I hope you enjoyed this crypto gameplay content. This is the best, right? Alright, I'm done with that. Am I still recording? Yes, I am. Alright, so I bought some skill. Maybe you need that to recruit a character? Maybe. Let's wait again and see if that was the case. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the flippity floppity thing again. Actually, till then, might as well roll up something. Oh, okay, so same shit. Okay, well, let me just figure this out and see what the fuck is happening. Alright, so I went into the CryptoBlades Discord channel, and apparently you need 1.1 skill and 0.02 BNB to actually get started. So let's try once again, now that I have everything, and let's see if it works. And now we wait again. So, see you in two... Oh, wait, never mind. Hey, it's working! Let's go, I think. Not yet. Not yet. Keep the hype. Keep the hype lowered. Oh my god. All right. Well, I'll see you in 1 second then. For real? Oh, okay. I wanted to say for real this time, but I guess not. Okay. So I have my boy here. I guess he's lightning, and I have a blade. And as soon as it loads, it should work. Hello. I just got more skill. Hey man, we're all about skill here. Okay, we're all about not loading here apparently. Why is it loading so bad? Oh my god, this dude looks scuffed as shit. Alright, well, let me check what blade I have. Click. 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 No? Okay, how about this guy? Okay, so I have my Ristica ride. Jesus Christ. I guess it's not, at least it's not healthy or fighty, am I right? Okay, so I have my character, and if I want to go fight some motherfuckers with it, I have to beat water, I guess. You know what the true game here is? The patience that you have to fucking wait for everything to load. That's where you learn to, you know. Okay, so there's one water. I'm gonna fight your boy, which is gonna cost some BNB, because every transaction costs BNB, sits on the BNB chain. But hopefully the profit is better than the cost. Now, from what I learned quickly in the Discord and Telegram as well, that the rates were much higher. You were getting much more skill before, and now it's been lowered for lower levels, so you have to level up. So you rolled, yeah, my enemy rolled only fucking loser. I earned 15 XP. Oh, you kidding me, man? Not even one level? Oh my god. And I earned some skill tokens. Okay, so you have 200 energy points. You can fight 10 times, I guess. The whole thing is, okay, frozen, I guess. There we go. Oh, okay. So, now if I go back to the plaza, my energy didn't go down. Is it still... Huh? It's done. I swear, you open this game, the whole fucking computer goes to shit. Okay, till then, let's check out the, you know, the actual token that they have, the skill token, which is apparently $5 for now, which is a lot. And the circulating supply and maybe total supply is 1 million, which is very scarce. So interesting. Yeah, 1 million skill. And I guess that's about it. Well, that seems interesting. It has potential to go up then, I guess, but I don't really know. Okay, the whole computer is just done. Okay, so my energy finally went down. I'm gonna try and create some weapons as soon as I can click on something. But apparently, yeah, okay, click, click, no, combat. Where do you make new weapons? Okay, okay, bitch. Oh, blacksmith, probably, right. So if I want to forge a new weapon, I don't know how many weapons you can have. I'll just forge one, I guess, and see what happens, and I'll just keep trying to forge until they tell me to fucking stop. Okay, I have to wait for this as well. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, dokie. Well. Oh no, come on. Again? What do I need to have now? What do I need to have now? Okay, I'll go back and ask. Be right back. Okay, so I have done some further investigation, and apparently you need zero point 0.4 skill and some BNB to forge a weapon. So I'm gonna go ahead and try again, right? So let's see, I have 4.27 skill. Let's see if it takes it off or. Okay, and now it's working. Marvelous. And now we wait again. In the meantime, I recovered 2 energy points in like 10 to 15 minutes. So that's the rate, I guess. It's not too bad, but it's not too good. Also, you can have 4 characters, if I'm not mistaken. Oh! I got a mythic fire. Gnarly, dude. So, yeah, I did take the skill. I'm gonna fucking do one more. Fuck you. Okay, a mythic weapon. I can't select it. This is the only thing you can know about it. That it's. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Okie dokie. So, 3-star, level 1. You need to level the weapons as well? Ah. I made. Oh no, you can. You can actually improve them. I'm not sure how, though. Because it should appear somewhere, but it's not appearing. Okay, so I got another shitty one, which is also water. You know what? Fuck it. You know, this is the problem with games, man. I just fucking have to throw money at it, bro. Okay, I'm gonna make one more weapon, and then I'm gonna make one more dude or gal, I guess, and see what I get from there. And you can have 4, so I might just make all 4, depending on how much it costs. I have how much BNB? I have enough BNB. I just need more skill. I don't have enough skill. Oh shit. Dude, every video my phone does that shit. Ooh, another mythic. Much better than this one, actually. Damn. Okay, okay. Well, I mean, the gambling addiction is kicking in, guys. I can't stop it. I can't stop it. Did I even press record once again? Yes, I did. I didn't even fucking stop. Hopefully the microphone is working this time. I mean, if you've seen my latest video, you are aware of the unfortunate events that happened in the last video where I was doing prospectors recording. Okay, this is the last weapon. This is the last weapon, I swear. I swear. Okay, so far there's not much else to do except go in combat and earn some skill. I'm guessing, obviously, there's more to come in the future and more gameplay options and shit. And then the marketplace should open as well, where you can sell and buy weapons and NFTs and shit. Okay, so I have some water, some fire, some lightning. This one seems to be the best one so far. Let me go to Plaza and recruit some dude. Okay, it's loading slightly faster, so that's good. Yeah. Let me see who I get, and then I'm gonna go into some more battles. And then I guess that's about it, because there's not much you can do. You can stake the skill for skill, 20% API. Not all that good. Yeah. Okay. Anyway. Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna wait for this transaction to go through, and then go fight again. I have 5 weapons, 2 level 3. I'm pretty sure if there aren't already higher weapons, that you can get higher weapons than level 3, because you know, I got them fairly easy and I got 2 of them, so probably. Yeah. Okay, come on, go on then. Daraville Daravane. Okay, bro. Okay, this guy looks even more scuffed. I'm gonna go fight with the other dude, though. Oh wait, now the guy selected? Yeah. Yep. Okay, bro. Come on, man. I'm just trying to make content, bro. Come on, man. I even forgot what his thing was. Was he electric? Was he fire? He's fire. Okay, I'm gonna go with this guy, just so I can level him up. and see how that feels like, huh? Man, I mean, if you thought Alien Worlds takes a long time between mines, this is pretty much it, man. This is waiting for the timer in Alien Worlds so you can click again. But it's loading screens. Bro, oh my god. Do I really have to cut the video? Okay, bro. Okay, so I can finally choose a weapon. I think. Nope, not yet. Nope. Oh, maybe. Click. Loading. Okay, more loading. Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about crypto loadings. It's a fun game. You click on stuff and then you wait for shit to load. Right. So what am I using? I'm using lightning, right? So I need to fight water. Wow. I can't beat water. Okay, what about... Oh, this one's also fire. And wait, no, not water. Well, I'm using lightning, but I'm using a fire blade, which does not seem ideal. So actually, let me see this one. Okay, never mind. Okay. Well, okay, so I'm gonna fight a water one. Let's see if I can still beat him with the shitty fire blade, although it's 3 stars, so it should help, you know. Okay, I did win. You won the fight, and I earned 0.1 skill, which is like 50 cents currently. I'm curious on how that will fluctuate. And I'm level 2. Wow, wow, wow. And can I just go and directly fight again? So lightning, I fight water. It's pretty fucking... Um, okay, let me... Oh, 2K? Holy shit. Can I even beat this guy? Okay, so you can just go and directly fight right after until your power goes out, I guess. I won the fight. Okay, and then another 50 cents. Hey, $1, bro. I'm fucking balling up in this bitch. Alright, well, that's the game so far. So you need skill and you need BNB. Need to be on the BSC network. You can craft these things. And that's about it. Can I... Wait. So if you go here, you click on them. Can you upgrade it from here or not? You cannot. So I know you can upgrade the blades somewhere, but I'm not sure where. But I'll figure that out later. Once again, I think that's about it for the video. So I will see you some other time whenever I make some other video about God knows what and fuck up in God knows how. Bye? Bye? Bye, I guess? Bye. Bye. Yes. Bye.